Hi students, welcome back to Gurudeva E-Classes. I am your Gururaj with the Shikshan and Social Science subject. Today we have to discuss about the new chapter that is called as the culture of the Vedic period. In the culture of the Vedic period, it has started from the Aryans. So these Aryans, they are originally come from the Central Asia and they are settled in the place of the plains of river Saraswati and Ganga. So these plains of the river Saraswati and Ganga, it's a very fertile soil. So in the period of post-Vedic or the pre-Vedic, so we found agriculture. So agriculture is the major occupation. So they are settled in the place of the river banks, especially the plains of the river Saraswati and Ganga. Especially in these places, the new culture was established. So it is called as the Vedic culture, and in this period we found some of the Sanskrit literature. The Vedic literature has formed in the period of pre-Vedic or the post-Vedic. So in this place we consider it as a Vedic period. So the word Veda, the Veda in the sense we call it as a knowledge. Veda we call it as a knowledge. So in this Vedic culture we found the four important Vedas. So what are the four important Vedas? Here as Rig Veda, Yajur Veda, Sama Veda and Atharva Veda. So Rig Veda, Yajur Veda, Sama Veda and Atharva Veda. So these are the four important Vedas. It has come from 1000 years ago. So these Vedas we found by a oral literature or else a written literature. Especially the written literature in the sense of we found the language that is called as a Sanskrit language. The Sanskrit language also we called as a Devanagari Lipi. So these are the Sanskrit languages. It has gives complete information about the Vedic culture, especially Rig Veda. So Rig Veda in the sense of it is one of the ancient one. It is one of the ancient Veda. So we found many of the sculptures and we found many of the important epics we got from the Vedas. Especially this Veda as mentioned as a pre-Vedic period. After the Rig Veda, we found the three important Vedas that is called as Yajur Veda, Sama Veda and Atharva Veda. So these three important Vedas period we call as a post-Vedic period. So these post-Vedic period, it has gives a complete information about the Vedas and Veda literature. Like this way, we found a Gagar Akra desert of Rajasthan. See, Gagar Akra, it is one of the river we can found in the Rajasthan. It is a desert river, especially the name as Saraswati. So before 1000 years ago, in this river, they are mentioned as a Saraswati river. See, these Saraswati river name we can found in the Rig Veda. So this Rig Vedic culture, especially this Saraswati river, they are mentioned in Afghanistan also. The Afghanistan, the specified river we call as a Helmand. This Helmand river we can consider it as a Saraswati river. The river bank of the Saraswati and Ganga we found the Vedic culture. The four Vedas and its literature we can found in the period of Aryans. I told about these Aryans, they are come from the Central Asia. So these Aryans only they made the four important Vedas. So these four important Veda literature only is the only source to learn about the Vedas. So these kind of the Vedas, especially we can find in a pre-Vedic period and a post-Vedic period. So I will remember you again the pre-Vedic period in the sense of Rig Veda, post-Vedic period in the sense we call it as Yajur Veda, Sama Veda and Atharva Veda. And the next what is the pre-Vedic period? Pre-Vedic period in the sense we are remembering some of the important factors. So what are those factors? The first one is social life, position of the woman, economic life and political life. With that religious life also available. So these are the important factors we can have found in a pre-Vedic period. In a pre-Vedic period we found the first the social life. So what is the social life in a pre-Vedic period? Is it really worth? Yes. The family was the basic unit. The family was the basic unit of the pre-Vedic period. Head of the family we called as a father. So this family, it is like a joint family. So nowadays we found the nuclear families, but in a pre-Vedic period we found the joint families. In that joint families we found 100 of the members. That means what are the family members we can found nowadays? Father, mother and their sons or daughters. So like this we found the joint family. So this joint family, it gives the complete relationship, it shows the complete relationship to the world. So like this joint family also available in the pre-Vedic period. So we found some of the prisoners. So that means who are made the social evil deeds in a society, we can consider it as a prisoners. So these prisoners, they were called as a dasas and dasyas. Dasas and dasyas. So these are the prisoners. They are treated like slaves. So what are the important works and what are the horrible or terrible works we can find nowadays? So these are the works was done by the prisoners. So the prisoners they treat like slaves. Then we found one of the liquor in a pre-Vedic period. The liquor names we called as Soma and Sura. So what we can find the liquor shops in nowadays. So these kind of the liquors also available in a pre-Vedic period. Those liquors we called as Soma and Sura. Then what is the position of the woman? The position of the woman, it's a very richest in a pre-Vedic period. So each and every person they are gives a respect to the woman. The position of the woman is a respect. They are leading the respected life. So these kind of the respected life we can found in a pre-Vedic period itself. The pre-Vedic period in a sense we call as a Rigveda. So this pre-Vedic period we found the important scholars. That means women scholars we can found the persons we called as Gosha, Apala, Lopamudra, Indrani and Vishwavara. So these are the important women scholars that gives the contribution to the pre-Vedic period. And they are wrote many of the epics. It has a guidance. It has a guide to our society. Like this way, widow remarriage also available. So what we can found widows. So in a post-Vedic period, we cannot found the widow remarriage. That means the complete woman's position is nil on the time of a post-Vedic period. But pre-Vedic period, we found the richest life of the women. And they have a power to make the widow remarriages and the child marriages, and the sati system is completely banned in the pre-Vedic period. So what are the child marriages we can found in nowadays or before days? That means below 18 years, those who gets a married, that is called as a child marriage. So these kind of the child marriage as a completely prohibited in a pre-Vedic period. And sati system, I thought you know about sati system. It means if the woman's husband died, in the sense that woman also going to die, that is called as a sati system. So these kind of the sati system also completely prohibited in a pre-Vedic period. Like this way, the one more we can find the economic life. The economic life also gives a worth to the pre-Vedic period. How it was? The rearing animals and agriculture is a major occupation. So what we can find the animal husbandry. So these animal husbandry and rearing animals is the one of the important occupation in a pre-Vedic period, and agriculture also one of the foremost important in a pre-Vedic period. That means agriculture in the sense they are grows the barley, rice. So these are the important agricultural products we got from the pre-Vedic period. With that they made the fishing activity also one of the major occupation, and meat. Barley, rice, fish and meat. So these are the agricultural products. So these are the fishing products we got from a pre-Vedic period. And iron and other metals as important in a pre-Vedic period. So what are the iron and other metals? That means some of the important metals we called as copper and bronze. So these are the important metals also available in a pre-Vedic period. Especially they are using the iron to an agricultural field. Like this way, carpenter, blacksmith and weavers also one of the important persons are the occupations we can found in a pre-Vedic period. So what are the persons we can found here? Carpenter, I thought you know what is the work of the carpenter. Then blacksmith and weavers. So these are the important persons, are the social leaded persons we can found in a economic life. Which that medicine and priesthood. The medicine also one of the major thing we can found in a pre-Vedic period. So medicines, what are the medicines we are using? So what are the medicines we are using? So these are all come from the Vedic life. That means those medicines we are using now also. So medicines and priesthood also one of the important occupation we found in a pre-Vedic period. And cows, I thought you know about that. cows, it is one of the major thing we can found in a Hindu society. That means we are gives an important role in a cows. So these cows are considered as the wealth. So what we can found the wealth in the sense we call as a gold and money. So this is not a wealth for a pre-Vedic period. They are considered, cows are the wealth of the society. The cows are the wealth of the persons. So they are gives an important role in a pre-Vedic period. Like this way, political life also available. So what is the political life we can found in a pre-Vedic period? The political life in the sense we call as the chief of Aryans, we call as a Rajan. In a before, we cannot have found a democratic system in a pre-Vedic period. They are respected to the Rajan or the king. The kings takes a major role in a pre-Vedic period, and he is the judge of the society. And or the kingship is not in a hereditary. They are select the king. The which person is suitable to rule. They select the person and they are gives a important role to the person. That means political institution also available. So these king or the Rajan, he cannot take the decision by one. He must take the decision. He must take the suggestions from these political institutions. So what are those political institutions? The political institution we call as a Sabha and Samiti. Sabha and Samiti. So these are the political institutions. They are gives. They are suggestions to the king or the Rajan. The Rajan must obey these political institutions suggestions. Like this way, Vidhatas played a major role in a political life. So Vidhatas we call as a prime minister. So prime ministers takes a major role in a pre-Vedic period. So these are the important political life we can found, especially Rajan. So what is the work of Rajan? How he gives a contribution to the society. The king's work we are considered as he protects the cows and the wealth also, and he protect his citizens, he protect his nation, and he want to give a judgment with the suggestions of Sabha and Samiti. So these are the important role we can found in a pre-Vedic period kings. Which that we found the religious life also. So what is the religious life do you found in a pre-Vedic period? So it is also one of the important thing we can found because of India. It is one of the land of tradition. So we found many of the important Hindu culture and many of the important religions we can found in a pre-Vedic period. So these Hindu culture, it has their own unique. The pre-Vedic period we found only a Hindu religion. This Hindu religion we found many of the important gods. So those are all Indra, Soma, Varuna, Mitra, Yama and Ashwini. So these are the important gods we can found in a pre-Vedic period. So these are the gods worshipped rituals of the yagnas. So yagnas only gives a power to the gods. So these are the things we got from the pre-Vedic period. And there are one of the statement we can found, there is a only one truth, people perceive it difficultly. Then let us noble thoughts come from all the corners of the world. So these were the messages of the Vedas we can found in a pre-Vedic period. That means the pre-Vedic period in the sense it has considered as a notable achievement in a Vedic period. So like this way, today we learnt many things. So what is the meaning of Veda? So what are Vedas and what is the main features of the Vedas and political life, religious life and position of the woman and economic life. So these are the important things we got from the pre-Vedic period. Thank you.